हेलो फ्रेंड्स। तो आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं चैलेंजेस टू सोशल मीडिया एनालिटिक्स. So what are the challenges? Definitely there are so many challenges because the social media data is huge. It is unstructured. Every minute we are posting so many videos, audios on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. So it's a huge amount of data. So definitely managing such huge amount of data is a challenging task. Social media data is high volume, high velocity, highly diverse, which in sense it is a blessing in terms of insight, as we get the real picture of what people feel about our product. And if we are really able to analyze and interpret, then we can find out the real information from the social media. But at the same time, interpreting and analyzing such huge amount of data, it becomes really very challenging. So analyzing unstructured data require new metrics, tools and capabilities, particularly for real-time analytics. And that most of the business, they do not possess such high sophisticated tools. So what we have to do, we have to understand that which tools can be used. So volume and velocity is the first challenge to the social media data, because huge amount of data has to be captured, it has to be analyzed in real time. So every second something or the other is getting uploaded on different social media platforms. If we take the example of Twitter, 340 to 200 tweets appear every minute. Means every minute we are having thousands of tweets. Even on Facebook, 1 million likes and shares are happening every minute. Now capturing such huge amount of data, so it becomes challenging. Now, in capturing this information, it becomes not only feasible, but knowing what to focus on is crucially very important. On narrowing down the scope and size of the data, it becomes very, very difficult, because we need high volume and high velocity of data to be analyzed. Then comes the diversity as a challenge. So social media users, they have the content which is extremely diverse, multilingual, and it is available at different points of time. So across time, there is no boundary of space, time, and some content may be 10 to 15 seconds to some content may be 3 to 4 hours. So every tweet, every like, every user is worth knowing on the internet. So a tweet or mention coming up from influential social media users is much more important, because here that influential can find out that what kind of product is useful for the entire society. Then due to diverse nature of the data, it becomes very difficult and challenging to identify and purify the data, or we can say the cleaning of data becomes very difficult. Then comes unstructuredness. So unstructuredness is also a challenge, like the data stored in the corporate database, which is mostly numbers. The social media data may be a text, graphic, action, relation, then like, dislike, all kind of things may be there. Then short social media text such as tweets and comments, they may not have any grammar, or we can write in our own language, so accent may be different, or we can write in our local style, so that style may be different, or different emotions may be conveyed from the message. So extracting such information and getting the business intelligent, it becomes really very difficult. So with this, I hope you have understood the challenges to the social media data analytics. Thank you.